Hey guys, happy Friday. Remember, on Fridays we are talking about poetry. Okay, if you remember, a poem is short, it only has a few words, the words may rhyme, and the poem may have a song or a tune that goes with it. So, let's take a look at this poem of Jack and Jill. We all know it, we've talked about it at the beginning of the year. And the poem has a tune that goes with it. So let's take a listen to see if you can remember the song.
Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Then up got Jack and said to Jill, as in his arms he took her, "Brush off that dirt, for you're not hurt. Let's fetch that pail of water."
So Jack and Jill has words that go with it, but it also has a tune, just like our Cinderella poem had a tune to it. Do you remember? Take a look at the last week's video and see if you can remember what tune the Cinderella song went to. Okay, remember, try to see if you can remember a poem and see if you can figure out what tune it goes to. Maybe try to sing it. If it's a happy poem, do you want to sing it like you're sad? No, that's not very fun to read or to listen to. So if it's a happy poem, make your voice sound happy, just like the kids in this song sounded happy. Okay?